And I have a big problem with a ma seven previous among so mo share video no. Oba wo share oyonko oba leak video. Bema koye bidia ene ye mema muma but se wasemi ba yi hwe se de ono ankasa no yonko ma si bia somu. E mema ni bi kura pity girl no by many bia somu den. What's me wan sama ya no asusu akasa nse ye nyina ye nipa. Now I think say Abrantia your friend Bongo ideas say Serwaa Amihere otiemia. E was ye busa Abrantia ne nsem ba akomienu bi unim di ntia. Because omeki allegations some months back and sana ensemi a APA nyina ye den eba say one say where be ni video beba ebo na background so din say ono nso ede e wo ho enu nti ebra me hu say video na ba na anya me wan wasa because Abrante no wadi kan Canada now ebi kura na betumi aba se enye ono a na nso mpanyimfo se ano edi nkyene di mako etoda na se eka asem a itimi ye ho etize de obi aka atwo so obekun na nipa nyina ate bia na se nipa no kro ni intentions to kill you ba esanse nipa nyina ate ntino anhwe a ebedrum rebi no na asem o kan no na obi akwa ye se adwuma no de ayeden e de ama no so make say bia na enye ono a it's true say Bongo ideas kan but betumi aba say bia enye ono a now the video is out there the entia me ball amachi de nyom uteme ho asem a empentem mu abi ne ka otamfo nko ane ye de mesene no obi dia bai na obi dia nam kwan so me bisa say ene Ghana ha ade ba ko asebe efo pa so obeka no kure na wonye hypocrite a sex ade ba ko a efo asofo oye asojafo oye amampanimfo oye assemblyman for oye radio presenters ka ho chese why taxi drivers obia what you say. But one thing is that there is no fun in you sleeping with someone taking a phone now I record it and only there etoda eni GM no eni maybe to me baba ya looky sharp having fun no assemble to me and eni GM be to me aba omu amwa ya ade a ensese yenye by you being a public figure no ehone wo so looky sharp now asem no enya ba wie enya to ye nua ba na wie and looking at the video now share Serwaa currently utimi say there is vast difference between sa video na ye hu na ene ne say de ye nua ba na sibiti and because utimi say oye ne X and ache obi nim kwan fa so a video no eba abonte ba mi bisa say ye musebusa ye ho wo de ye musebusa ye ho onye eboneda unye bibia eba abonte otim sa ade we de eba abonte a anhwa na de anim guase abremeda why bida nanso yete nkofo asem a ye kanete se de asede afei na ebias maka tro se asem bia ni wa ye de akuma na asekan enetwam ena asem bia nso ni wa esi a ebi nsi nipa ni so pen asem bia besi a esi nipa ni so ensi abu ani so ena asem nso ba nipa na beka enu nti bia ne na Serwaa de aba bia ye twetwe ne sere ne abasa ye hunu ne se ebia onu de esei wonu de esei mitie Bongo ideas ene Captain Smart interview omo ye na ensema Abrantia ne ka no it's about time e was say ebia because listening to Bongo ideas ne kire say hotels ne bi kura me makwan ama se bia me na me ni obi aba beda ho a obi betumi aba be investigation ama hotel na release information dia man say ene Djka ena asomasi ni asomasi ba hotel ben no wa mo hotel bi edi by hotels am one crime se so obi adi na ni bubu wan hwe yi a modwuma so bete intiminim eyen a enki ebeye meeting ni afre Bongo ideas ni abusa say hotel ben a e was open point uchire hotel a Serwaa ni asomasi nkofo bi num any celebrities bi timi kode dadeda omoma information no because eba say ya hotels na adwuma bebre na e sha ase aba abesai because yenim say ye celebrities yi etoda ye hosting nkofo from foreign countries, ebi free Nigeria, ebi free US, ebi free ha, oba, hotel no de bekwa akoda, make us ebi kura na baby a oda no, on the family no, ontimi mfo obi nkonkoda ho. Enunti, se obi no obi ko hotel la, enye hotel nyina na ye kwa 7 preduas en kwa have sex. Business ideas, business discussions. Eto da kura uhia o privacy. Eto da kura make us ebi kura na family no eja dam wo fie, wo yire ha ukunu ha, e wo so ko hide wo ho kakra. Enu nti bia wo ho ne se obi ba besra wo, adamfo bi ba besra wo. Ebi kura na consoling, o minua ye ntem ne kofie, ebi kura ukunu dia beto manim se sei na eko. O yire dia beto manim se sei na eko nti kofie. But the moment ebe hu se oni nipa na wura hotel hope, Ghana, yesem kwa have sex. Enu nti said the America no. It's about time. Said it because me I have this fear for these big hotels in Accra. Enyan crying ko. Say mutimi release information at the third party. Say ni pass mesia ba beda ha. Hotel say adwuma na ehyaase time ben. Because hotel ethics no ekire say even so hu say wo papa kura uye adwuma wo ho na hu say wo papa kura de oba eba ho a uni hu kwan say wo bo wo maame amane. But listening to Bongo ideas and hotels need be releasing informations at the third party. Enunti say kamia say mo beyama hotel adwuma na nkasa no enkofo bebre na no mo baba be lose cashes mo be lose ska. Captain Smart did well in the interview. Obusane say obi personal life the efa ho ben. Bongo ideas ka enso catch up Captain Smart say obinya benya celebrity, obinya beya public figure, oni personal life biem. Eye no kremum. But etoda adie bi wo ho a eye privacy. Enye niema nyina because da bia na me catch re emma na omo ba abonten sofu ni makoda, sofu we ni makoda. Sofu no se bi otua be ma se de mimi tua be men. Sofo no sori ahomache a de bema bia etenka no sofo no tenka de mimi hu na menya atenka o me widiem no sofo no benya atenka o no widiem enu ntinye wadwen so ye nyame ni panti ono de 7 preduas ensesa ne bema sori ensesa okopupu to kire na ensesa oye ensesa okororo ho kire no ko seduce na ensesa oye because we say oyo nyame nipa there be you do that at your own risk. Oh yes sir, one kasa na o risk wo ho. Ye betie Captain Smart ni Bongo ideas interview, but I said the American big shout out to Captain Smart because enra or handle interview no so well. Obusa Bongo ideas and sembebre say me makoda hotel la. Bongo ekwan ben na wo se wutimi ko hotel ho se wo kwa information because some akwa hotel. Afa ne Bongo de ne baby. Catch and say no, we a journalist wako school. Okoye ethics of journalism no. Eka ho ana. Emma oka say big celebrities bi ni ade. Sorry a hotel ne om ne nkofo ekode dadeda. Maka chose journalism na say ye no. E say enya akono biem. Enya akono biem. Because can ye ba ye betie na na bosi amponso fa ya mo aponkomo KK di mo sane ma we ni ebusa se obi tina radio so a radio as a radio presenter you entertain, you inform and you educate ene no na ekoso ana Serwaa no obi akoda enzo what enti die ebinsi danie. And I have a big problem with a ma 7 preduas amonso mo share video no oba wo share oyonko oba leak video bema koye bidia ene mema muma but Serwaa semi bae hwe se de ono ankasa ne yonko ma asibia somu. A man be cry pretty girl no by many be so more than because yes could do holidays 7 preduas or live lavish life. na eno no na ayeden adeɛ ba kwan na nipa nte ase ne sɛ obia ne nkrabia 7 predua so okra ya ode ba wiase obia ne nkrabia enu nti obi beton mako asidan wo ton mako na abɛbɔka ebesan kra akɔani ama hwa wani afra shebrese safo ne kakrake yo hata we it's about time I was here tin yema bi ase enkrabia ne shebre ni nyina anyepe enu nti so unso obi ikoso ayebɔ mpa yema na mepa atɔ ye ntwene ma abibifo ye suban tichiru ne Ghana ha eya na eya eneba bi wo ho ekoso na wote a ubusa ho se nti nipa na eye saa de wi odasun ye so odwene we are sure say lady na nkasa beba be release ni leak video ba bia ni din akwa akodri no onye saa na even info say accidentally mistakenly and a video ni leaky online mi bisa say de bi nsi danie me se Ghana ha enei ade ba ko a ayefo eye sex if you don't know ade ba ko a efo ana ade ba ko a enye news eni so obi ni obi akwa akoda yemfa me nkotum yenche me nkotum ni nya bi nie but I thought as a public figure and say me say to a eya na eya because of your ambassadorial deals sponsors almost sponsor yen enkoda bi omu di achie eno ena ya ne to da ya ne ha adwen ba say wo sheda say me tanishe me yonko presenter me tanishe me yonko celebrity public figure bi me tanishe ni image die minua eba say ya ne ha adwen Bongo ideas ye nyina enim na nsen na wa wo kan nsem etoto wo ba bonten se senkenyi nyankopon a ke be nsem bebre people were tagging the president se bia ono kra na abo pa ami aba be yesa me mete ye no mi unse da bi because ensem Bongo kan krom ha no ensem Bongo ideas e kan krom ha ene se de osi bi trofa nkofo ho no enye nipa ba akopɛ e na target no and minua no mekoso atunufo se niema bi wo ha oya onhwe ne yie san se wiase wo yonko da ene oda yentie Captain Smart ne Bongo ideas e bra na omu ye interview no yenhwe ne ekoso
people online so yes I'll investigate and then say Captain Smart so me post say what to fear or airport house I need to know say true and I say true they say so see a picture be trend there, you know, on a guy be I say no more them, you know, I know how happened but I say the former boyfriend be leaking a picture be I no more them or more having some good.
So they say former boyfriend said and there's a chair I mean
and but on the same doors so I want to go there. I think say me some expose about the facts and not or dating some people, you know, some people, political people near this so
but no evidence or date you be.
Yes.
How do you know? Because okay so be date you be the facts will video be to restaurant they didn't just say dating no. Who contest no dating your day. What's your definition?
Dating to be in extramarital relationship with people.
Okay.
And the politicians now according to my investigation they are married people.
And see we are then now who say yes on na koye bibi.
So you investigate, you talk to people will give you information.
How would you investigate? I mean
no, if I want to know things about you, I speak to people close to you.
Excellent, but who will come and tell you I've gone to sleep with XYZ?
Oh, bro.
Yeah, I mean, I'm asking you, so you tell me.
You know where they meet.
In the hotel?
Oh, yeah, you can investigate and know where they meet and even go and sit there.
And you see
in order to take pictures and videos.
Okay, two weeks or more and tell
yes. So you take those pictures and videos.
But that can be
no, but if you're entering a hotel for 1, 2, 3, 4 times, air continues. So it is a trend.
Maybe my baby hotel be ukuma I wanna be in meetings. So if you Thursdays and Fridays, if you're looking for me, those who know. You will see me there every Thursday,
but
every
do you
Friday.
enter with a girl alone?
Yes, I go there with ladies. I go there with men.
Alone.
Well. No, when you say alone, I don't get it.
I don't think say you should downplay my intelligence.
No, I am not downplaying your
intelligence.
intelligence. You're saying something, and we cannot just believe what you say.
No, you need to believe me because
no, I am not doubting.
Me the facts and figures never.
Yes,
I don't come and say
so
stuff.
So the issue is that Obini Obi Ko Hotel, when we say repeatedly, that's where they go sit, they go talk. don't you think say ABR is something other than what you're thinking?
Okay, but it is a political figure.
Yes.
Maybe a minister.
Yes, they can make friends.
And be meeting at hotels.
Yes, they can make friends. Hotels are built for people. The fact that you're a politician doesn't mean you can go to a hotel.
There were rumors, so if there's a rumor, say BB because say na say whom say more raho 1, 2, 3, 4 times, it adds a lot to the rumor.
Okay, room number.
Nah, bro. But yeah, we know where they meet and do stuff.
No, I'm only asking. Hotel, they have a lobby.
Yes.
So, is it a lobby or in a hotel room?
No, they enter into the hotel room.
Okay,
they book at the receptionist and do everything. So, okay. Person who information, a bit more receptionist now, you can pose as anything and get the information. We do all that.
Okay, so who pose as be different?
Yeah, you can go and
ask the hotel, say what me here Baha. Only we have Baha room number.
I don't know how. Baby, most of so-called.
But that's criminal.
And you're criminal.
No, I mean that is impersonation one.
And you're impersonation.
To go to the hotel.
I don't impersonate to make call for information.
Yes,
I have the right to information.
That's how we hear BB.
No.
To go ask for the information. So, no,
you can go and be like, this person lodged at your hotel.
And then the hotel will freely tell you that.
No, the receptionist can go through their logbook and be like, okay, there's this
hotel
person.
No. When you can't the body, no, I mean it doesn't make sense to me that you walk.
Okay, but if somebody is coming to look for you at a hotel or bar or
if you are looking for me at a hotel, now it means you don't send me down.
Yes.
And I've told you to come look for me. Okay. And to say, Oba, you only say, I am looking for Captain Smart.
Yes.
Our Lancaster Hotel. Okay. They will call.
It's not always that they will call you. It's not always.
Who can it? Then some hotel receptionist no one
they'll just confirm that the person is there. They will tell you to go to the room.
So you went to the room?
No, I'm not saying I went to the room. I'm telling you that sometimes that is what it is.
Until hotel, no receptionist, no. I can't say, saying.
I'm just telling you the kind of energy that goes into what I do.
No, that's fine. Yes. I don't want to doubt your energy.
Yes.
But say me Sapomako Hotel. Now I will be say Captain Smart and Sapoma I say Annie. Okay, the room number MG Unia Studio.
See, there's a societal perception about hotels. The moment people see you enter hotels, there's already a preconceived perception. Say they are going there to do something, right?
Do what?
It's always something related sexually, right?
So, but you are a journalist.
I'm a journalist. Yes,
you are. I'm
talking about society.
No. Forget about society. No, you are a journalist, trained from Ghana Institute of Journalism.
Yes,
and you know that some perceptions are irrelevant to the reality. You know that, right?
I know that.
Okay, so if you know that as a journalist, why do you just feed on societal perception?
I don't feed on societal perception. Why you make a link? What I say, you make a link. Say if there's a rumor that we did here, that's the rumor. You know, Kanye West money now. That's the kind of rumor or perception that they attach to their dating rumors. Call for a spa, some call vacations, and they can take them pictures and they add it to the rumor. You know, hotels and stuff, you can add it to the rumor. And because society believes in that kind of idea, so when you enter a hotel, it's for something clandestine and anti-security. You know, it's up to the whole.
But you know, say, Omida Hotel, maybe if you don't know, let me tell you, say, maybe that hotel. Now we don't need any appointments. Now, about hotel, maybe some I can call for your arrest. Do you know that? That's criminal.
Why is it criminal?
No, you know, when you say, we go to hotel, you can't just say, Braho. Now, I should share it. Hotel, no, so you want here. Even if you are the owner of the hotel, anything criminal, you don't have the right to come look for me. Do you know that?
Public figure, people follow you.
Fantastic. So the president enters a hotel. Now, the president Djka Kumasi and Attackbody. Now, you stay house, no, make a hotel. President here, public figure, to know reception. Oh, yes, MG Hotel, Pacho. President Abba said, and the room here.
Recently, there was a video of the president at school. There was a nightclub there on and personal life, right? Or nightclub and not Ujina nightclub also. But people took videos and people are saying on the internet.
The analogy you're making is quite different.
I'm talking about a public figure. As far as a public figure, we have the right.
Yes, sure.
Yes,
public figure, no. Who are rights to find out more things.
Yes.
Public servants, mainly a public figure. Sana Ghana Foka.
Yeah.
But when you're public servants, I mean, it's a good Djka. And you're the Djka Amihere. It's a hotel now. Say, I'm part of the okay, say, Amihere in hotel. She should just in the hotel. Because it was bad. Look, it was a class system alone for a hotel receptionist to tell you, say, yes, I want me a bounty. Oh, really? This is bad.
Well, it's for example, we say, if I say, oh, hotels is a nice amount for taking pictures of you.
I meant to tell my police about you for the picture if I see you.
Okay.
You are not supposed to take pictures of me without my notice.
Okay, what if you don't see it?
If I don't see it, that's fine. But when you post that picture and I know I did not give you the permission, I can take you home.
Then everybody on the internet will be arrested.
No, it doesn't matter. No, you see, I think that we should be a bit circumspect when we just driving our egos as journalists into the private corridor.
Yeah, I'm not a fully fledged. I'm a blogger.
No. You went to GID.
Yeah, but blogging is different.
No. You went to GID, so you were a trained journalist.
Yes.
Fantastic. So when you were just driving your egos into the private corners of individuals,
you think it's private?
Yes, it is. Because even if you pay me directly, like a media general, let me say my quarter hotel. If not for any reason, Captain Abeda and another reception said, Captain Ruby, you call. I mean, yes. No.
Well, a lot goes into the way, right? So, if you're looking for credible information, anything like your undercover journalist, investigative journalist, don't they, disguise themselves to get information?
What is guys here? An entrapment, centrifuge. It's crazy.
So I say that what Anas does is entrapment.
And I said, when we say entrapment, what are you asking? It's entrapment.
Entrapment.
You don't know. That's entrapment.
You're a journalist. I want to say a journalist. Just that he's very
No. I am not talking about journalism. I am talking about entrapment of centrifuge. These are things that live in America.
So you don't believe in Anas method?
It is not about believing in Anas method. I am telling you what you did was wrong. That you went to a hotel asking the receptionist, so be a better one. That is wrong. Maybe yes, I'm a hotel, but maybe I'm No, I'm telling you, see, some of these things, we should not just hide behind anything and do things like this. Like, bro, you're my little brother. It's wrong. Don't do that again. When they call you heavy, because it's my right. You are actually driving your egos into my private corner.
So tomorrow, if a person takes you a picture of you entering into a hotel, you look for the person and be the person.
We're back hotel. Now one table. Now we'll travel picture. Now one can't let you phone actually from police station. I'm telling you today, over 5 years. People phone back from Baneti. Opa, family college. You don't have the right. Why are you hiding to take a picture of?
Why are you also taking a photo and breaking it? If you have
no, why are you hiding to take a picture of me if you have a good intention? Why are you hiding to take a picture of me if you have a good intention? You don't have the right. Why are you hiding to take a picture of?
Why are you also taking a photo and breaking it?
Why are you hiding proper? Getting heavy. I don't know. You see, we shouldn't do things like that. Serwaa me any public figure question will tell so what? So what?
You know you are Captain Smart because people talk about
Me, I am not Serwaa.
no.
You wrote something about me. I loved it, honestly. Dina, my friend's name. This gentleman, I'll be in this. Is it Mubarak?
Ras Mubarak.
Bahan. Man, I'm in that. And when I saw it, I loved it. So, okay. It's nice. I love it when you write about I don't give a damn to it, what people write or say about me. But when you get...
Why don't you give a damn?
No, I don't give a damn. Because if you want to talk about me, I can respond. But if you want to hide and take a picture of me, I'll beat you.
And then say, two rumors say Captain Smart today, one of the popular influencers, almost. That's you who know I will tell us.
Don't worry.
That's not
No. Walk straight to me. Captain, there is a wood tea, cookie tea. And it's a oh, there we are colleagues. You're about to do lunch there. And I say, oh, I am back. Okay, can I take a picture with you? Yes, you can take a picture with me. Fantastic. Then we can take a picture with you. But if I see you hiding to take a picture, I'll come and take it and then break it and beat you.
You don't have to do that.
I don't have to. You try me one day and see. I've told you the hotel side. I say, come and try me one day. You want me to say, wow. Yeah. So I think it's about time. Some of these things you watch it because it's criminal to take pictures of. Things you watch it because it's criminal to take pictures of chief.
They are celebs.
We know from and every personality. And there are rules that and then you said not to Amihere with the others.
Oh yeah. I'm listening. I've spoken a lot about.
Okay. Is it because you want to be like you want to be known?
No. Brand.
Okay. So you talk only about celebs.
Public figures, politicians.
The big ones.
Yes. If you're not big, I don't talk about.
Because I mean, so the big ones will bring you big attention.
Okay, we have people with big attention, but they are not. I don't really rate them. For example, if you have a stake, make an answer because I feel you're earning your premium. Yeah, I want to get attention. Which is available kind of answer because I feel the kind of content I want to talk about. And yet it has not really fits my brand. So I talk about serious individuals, you know, and just premium. And yet and post about if you're short, and my followers like I say, now we now can pass it because you know I really focus on premium issues.
So we'll share some of these things that happen around and what people say about the things you write. Do you sometimes feel worried?
Yeah. For the people to come for me, yes, right now I don't feel safe.
You don't feel safe?
But before that, I'm very, very okay. But for the people to break, because I feel like I say, we'll be able to break into your house and just pull you out and just go and whatever they want to do with you. Say, Jamaica, I don't say you're alive, you're not alive. You know, people just move on with their lives. Nobody really cares. So it's sometimes I really worry about the fact that in a way, you know, maybe I can't speak the way I used to speak.
And you have to stop. If you can't speak the way you have to speak, and you are speaking the truth, me, I will support you.
It is true, mostly.
So, mostly is the truth.
Yes.
So, the part which is not the truth, don't say it.
Like 90% is true.
So, the 10% which is not the truth, don't say it. So that you can always be on the safer side.
Is everything you say on your show the truth?
If I don't have the evidence, I don't say
everything you say is the truth.
Everything.
But there are instances where people come out to say.
No, when people come out to say.
That's the same thing they do.
No, you have just admitted that 90%. So you yourself have admitted that there's 10% of what you say.
Your truth cannot be 100%.
Mine is 100%.
There's no 100% truth.
Yes, there is.
No, I don't believe.
I came to work this morning, is it not true?
Yes.
I'm
talking about what you say.
The things I said this morning, so true for. Waka contain a stand number. About you go to your duty. Is it not true?
See.
So what I'm saying is
Your
that
truth is different from people's truth. What I say.
people's truth does not represent what you are saying.
But I can't tell me everything you say is the truth.
But mine is the truth. I have not given you any percentage of which 10% is not.
But people dispute it.
Let the people dispute.
Legally, yes.
Go to court, and then the evidence will come to court. You get it? So now you are not safe. I'm much interested that you are not safe. More important to me. What do you think together we can do to help you to be safe? You want to change where you live?
Yeah, I don't even sleep at my place. I sleep at friends. Already, I've written to ECOWAS, I've written to UN, I've also written to United Nations, African Union. I've written to Amnesty International and other human rights groups. But they are yet to get back to you.
That you are not safe.
Yes.
Okay, so now, what do you think can make you safe? If I can be of help, I will gladly do that. I'm telling you, no.
Me, as far as I'm in Ghana, I feel like I'll still not be safe unless I'm living in a gated community or maybe somewhere that people don't know or a different region or something. But
different region will show you.
Yeah, but okay, even in Accra, I think I need to live in a safer community. But in my community is open, it's a dormitory town, so it's really open. But if I should live in a very enclosed space, where I know my security is guaranteed, that would be better. Because it's for people to just break into your room and pull you out, masquerading as police officers, it can happen to anybody. So
sure. I mean,
you pay money transfers, I mean control. Or Canada, or US, baby, I will send this card to Ghana. Download the application, you pay. Apple phone, Android phone, who download you now send this card. Use me promo code DJKA. And now you see I been $5 squat. Now the account account. They all send their brand Ghana and so I enter the capre. You pay. I'm on sign for a blanco for pa. I DJK Nyan Support TV. One subscribe here, subscribe to channel no. Now press the notification button for more uploads. Me da say aha and I'm do basi. My crow. Bye bye.